بالحضور ثم قالت للحضور مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين.
الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Once again, like every year at this time of the year, Direct Aid is organizing a free eye camp. This year, Alhamdulillah, there will be 2 eye camps, one in Bakoti and the other one in Farafeni next week, inshallah. We thank all the team who have prepared and worked very hard to make it happen. We also thank Al Basar Foundation for their participation, and also we thank all the government bodies for allowing this event to happen in the favor of the needy people of the Gambia. So thank you very much, and we hope that this project will be carried on for years and years, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulil Kareem. My dear brother Abdul Latif and his team, and Dr. Bari, and all the participants and all the visitors who are here, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Honestly, it's a matter of great pleasure for me, for Al Basar, and also for the Direct Aid Society, who have been keeping up this tradition of this free eye program that has been started since today, inshallah, from today. And this service is going on for almost 30 years. And every year we are coming here to serve the needy people of Gambia, not only the Banjul, but the different areas, people coming from the different areas. So inshallah, the same way as usual, we will do our best to provide the maximum possible quality service. And inshallah, we also hope to the government, who has been always facilitating us, helping us, and cooperating with us for the continuation of this program. We assure, inshallah, this program will continue in future also. Thank you, my brother.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We have this help for the beneficiary of the Gambians. We welcome the team of Al Basar and all the patients coming to our place. We welcome everybody. Inshallah, we will do our best to help them. Thank you.
Ko na nyolu na doku nyoli afanyame bari mbetenturo bunga ba warandila na masakunda ana doku nyole kan kaitandi ye fasaro menke pour nyim programme sikeno kaduni atara ntol mu demar bundalti Direct Aid mu demar bundalti bari nta keno la ni atara mansala demaro manfutamma mbele nga long regulatory body solbe jele men be ko Medical and Dental Council, Medicine Control Agency, ni nata na tankola bundala Immigration Department, aning masakundala kunda dolu ol membe kafuta nyoma pour ka jeno ko nyin kampo nga soto no bi mbato fana tentula bal jayla to memul pesentolti pour aller wato menta mbal masala fana nga understand dol be janne birin telen nani suto tele lulu suto suba otombe al hako dani la wala hamo momenti do wala min ko ngakoke ko ayande ka nyame o kamala be albe tandula mbal jayla kabona masakunda kabo Direct Aid la toyala ala baraka baka
misalmini dendal ngal yita doytane mudum no wadi Operesiyoŋ goto alhamdulillah rabbil alamin golle de moƴƴi iterne gele ngora hande ala problème jon ko odo heddi joni on mi yidi hande pour wadem opéra odo hande billahi ko moƴƴibe ligge mabbe de moƴƴi alhamdulillah bismillah mabbe leydi he mi belti golle de
musidɓe fulɓe garani ɗo bakode tawede Direct Aid hitawe hitan koɓe garta wallude yimɓe wadde oppe guite free ta hawnde joom yoɓani nden noon alano mbattande ɗe moni ɗo e docteur goɗɗo mo gandanɗa ɗo gollata gandolemɓe holno golle ɗo no yalde ɗo. Assalamu aleykum mawɗo.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh.
Min gayɗo min tawi ɗo yimɓe ɗo heewi ɗo tew min gandi ko mbaɗude ko ɗum sababu ardi ko yimɓe ɓen ɗo ha ko ɗum ɓe ari wallude ɗe e heɓu ɗaɓɓugol ɗo.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ko jam tummoɓe jama on ɗo aray ɓe humpiti wallitotoɓe fi ñawdugol guite no ɗo ko ɗum woni ko addi ɗo yimɓe ɓen gila jemma ha ka fewde ɗo yimɓe ɓen no heewi ga kono yimɓe ɓen no arde kadi ɗo kamen ɗo yimɓe ɓen no wallitede fi opération guite ɗen wona nawnare no inne cataracte ɓe hokka yimɓe ɓe glace ko ɓe janggira ɓe hokkaɓe kadi lekkele ko waɗete ka guite si tawi guite maɓɓe ɗen fota ka opérede e hoore ɗum hay goto yoɓata kadi hay hunde hay ƴoƴƴa jama on ko ɗo defete ɓe defanay ɓe ɗo buy so naari ka ley leɗɗe ɗo joni defoɓe ɓen no ari ɗon haray opérete ɓe e wonduɓe maɓɓe ɓen ɓe fof ko ɗo ɓe soƴƴata ha ɓe haara ɓe opéra ɓe woɓɓe ɓen ɓe jonna ɗum programme janggo ɓe opéra ɓen ɗon ɓe ƴetta kadi hessiɗuɓe e nder balɗe ko ɓe watta ɗo ko fof programme haray no continue
haray noon ko balɗe jele ɓe dowa wadde ɗum ɗo e nder bakoto ɗo
ko balɗe joyi ɓe wonata ɗo ɓe iwa ɗo kadi ɓe yaara Farafeñe toon kadi ɓe waɗoya balɗe fi toujours ngal ballal gotal
duuɓi jele gale fuɗɗi o ngal ballal ɗo
fayda mi wata on sifanade ko mi wawi sifanade ko ber komi wonɗo ko duuɓi sappo e tati lan ɗo ɗi duuɓi sappo e tati fof ɓe arɗo wondeji goo ɓe ara ɓe waɗa laabi ɗiɗi e nokkure wotere nden wonde ɓe waɗa ɗo e Farafeñe hari law ko honno ko covid 19 fo ari ɗo nde nawnare hulɓinide on sati ɓe arano kono si hina ɗum hitande ɓe ara nde wotere ma nde laabi ɗiɗi
musidɗo hono wiyeteɗa
ko Amadou Diallo
eyyi Diallo an kadi en fotti bakote ɗo ka argol ñawdugol guite ɓe landata ko ɓe ame yimɓe ɗo nakka ɗon holli wondema on heɓay opération te yoɓata mbuuɗu hono yirɗon ɓe golle
no golle ɗen ko golle labaɗe ɗum ɗo haray no janni fof no foti wajitade ɗum ɗo ɓa ɗi golleji ɗo ko association ko boyi hawti wawi heɓude doole ga kadi si ɓe Allah newnani ɓuuri hedditiɓe ɓen kadi si yitidama tun doole heɓoto walla ɓe ala doole ɓen kam ɓe jon doole ɓe ɓen kadi haray ɓe jogui joddi ka aduna e lahara fo haray en torimo ɓe yo watta yile ɗum ɗo haray ɗum ɗo ko nafa fof
hono yiruɗon golle ɗen no guila arɗon ɗo subaka law
no mi ari subaka law ɓa mi ari sa mi ko jolfuɓe wiyata kan mi haawi kono golleji ɗin no yaawi net fat ɗum ɗo ko yettude Allah hokku en façon ɓeeɗo enen kadi ta ko jeeyaɓe ɗo ta ɓe gollira wano ɓeɗo ne gollirde ɗo ni
e ndarude ɓe hojjata woɓɓe ɓeynama e hin lekki yaha woɓɓe ɓeyna hino lune woɓɓe ɓeyna ko opération
eyyi andi ɗum ɗon ko gandal ngal sana ɗum arɗo fof ɓe wawi innude opération ma ɓeyna opérata kono andi ko gandal ngal wata sennidirande ɓe buuɓe e condi ɗo ɓeɗo ko handuɓe opération ɓeɗo handa opération andi ko hunde fof so on ti janggi ha o ƴellitike o anda e laawi ɗin fof ko rewete eyyi ko ɗum
jarama boy musidɓe ko noon nanide ɗum awa eɗe yetta Direct Aid e Albasar Foundation ɓe annduɗa ɓe jokkodirta wallitagol jama o kono ɗum ɗo kadi koye jaam tan heƴata Allah ɓeydu jaam e nder leydi ndi président Barrow ko sifa ɓe faala hara wallodira e tawata golle ɗe yaara e yesso hara on jarama ko jokkuɗon min ko Ansoumana Kinte, you are welcome. We met again for another benevolent that Direct Aid with Albasar is doing. We see hundreds of people gather this morning here just to have this free air care that you people normally give. How did you see the program today?
Thank you very much, madam. As you rightly said, we have gathered here today to witness yet another benevolent gesture that is kindly sponsored by Direct Aid in collaboration with Albasar International Foundation. As you rightly mentioned, we have seen lots of patients today, and this is an annual program that features prominently on the calendar of Direct Aid. Every year, not only in the Gambia, Direct Aid sponsor this type of operations in all the countries that we operated, about 32 countries in which we operated. So we are grateful to the sponsors. We are also very grateful to the government of the day for facilitating and enabling us to do this camp in the Gambia this year also.
Can you remember how long have you been? I know you came to Direct Aid, it's not long, but you made this operation going, but you must have known the history of the organization.
From the history, we know this camp started in the Gambia in 1995, and since then it has been running on. Alhamdulillah, and we hope it will continue to run because the enabling environment is already there for us to take an opportunity of. So this is why we want to assure everybody that this year we are here also, and inshallah next year we'll also be here. Like I told you, we started this operation in the Gambia 1995 to date.
So this year's, what is the date?
The dates for, we have 2 camps this year as well. The dates for Bakote, which started today, 21st, it will run through on the 25th, the Christmas Day, which is from today, Saturday, the 21st, to Wednesday, the 25th. And then the next camp, which is in the North Bank, in the North Bank region, we will start that on the 27th of December to the 31st of December.
What are some of the challenges that you encounter during this preparation and during the activity?
The challenges are numerous. Well, I call them a learning curve for all of us. We are all aware the government, following the outbreak of AKI, the acute kidney injury problem in this country, a lot of stringent measures has been put in place. I'm sure government is doing all this just to control and to avoid the occurrence of AKI in the country. However, we want to still appeal to the government to recognize the efforts of partners like Direct Aid and many others who are there to complement the development and the objective of government of the day. The measures, the are too many. We going from one regulatory body to another. It's all not a setback, but it delays a lot of things. Yes.
But at the end, thank God, it is ongoing and running. So, what about the medicines? They bring along medicines, or some of them are bought here? Because I saw them giving eye drops, specs.
This year, what we did was, as per the MCA regulation, we have to buy everything here because the duration of getting these medicines tested, we could not meet that because we needed almost, if I understand, we needed almost 6 months for these drugs to be tested, confirmed, and then the time we started this operation, that was in October. So we felt that would be not enough of time to be able to do this. If we have to follow that, we might have to do it in 2025. And inshallah, 2025 also, there should be another camp. Now what we resorted to is to buy these medicines locally, so that these things are here. At least also, that will also boost the economy of the country, and also the local, the giant pharmacies that are bringing these wholesale drugs. We are also going to benefit something from this camp.
Thank you. And I understand even food you give it to the patients after operations, or?
Yes, well, as you can see, if you go out now, there is cooking ongoing for the patients. So whoever is operated and does not live near, we make sure they stay with us here at the clinic, and we provide food for them. We provide meal for them.
Otherwise, everything is going smooth. You don't have any complaints from those that were operated before?
So far, so good. We haven't had any up to this moment. No complaint. So far, so good. Alhamdulillah.
You only have comments.
Yeah, so we only have positive comments from those who have been operated previously, and even there are testimonies that can attest to this. People who have been operated a year or 2 years ago will usually come around just to say thank you to the service that you have done. Yes.
Thank you very much. Unless you have anything to say to leave to our viewers.
Just to call on patients to take the opportunity while the camp lasts. Like I said, just to repeat, the Bakote camp started today, the 21st, and it will run up to the 25th, Wednesday. And then from there, we will move to Farafenye on the 27th to the 31st, December 2024. So this is an opportunity that we are giving to every Gambian and all residents in the Gambia. Whoever can come, everything is free of charge. Nobody is taking a dime from anyone. This is all free of charge. We are doing this to support and complement the National Eye Healthcare Program, the Serwiis, and any other government apparatus that deals with health. We are also here to complement that effort. So, and we will also like to thank once more the government of the day for creating the enabling environment for NGOs such as ours and others to be able to support, to be able to give their, do their programs as has been outlined. We also want to thank the Gambia Medical and Dental Council, the Medicine Control Agency, National Eye Healthcare Program, and in particular, Dr. Vincent Sise, for being the focal person of all eye problems in this country. He has played a very, very good role for this camp to host. We want to thank him also for his role.
Thank you very much.
كل الطيور وزهت دنيا الحضور ثم قالت للحضور مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا بالحاضرين مرحبا أهلا وسهلا صحبة كنتم وأهلا